haba shimkhia halor ke jing ujor yakaba kiriu patba kila ujor halor ke jingdon ki kamti Beain yikilum haki benta ka Megalia kata nadu Jorabat terter shudu ki Thain Khanapara Deputy Commissioner kari Bhoi District habakran silat pathai kubor menta ka singi uloong panakleng jongu kumu DC kari Bhoi unsa Phah yakan hun ban Tohkit yakaba enkli tau magister kari Bhoi bat kumjuru nakibru joktan forest lima ka office u DFO divisional forest UDC kari Bhoi ulai thu bakadon chisha ke jing ujor neki babun balang halor ke kamti khandau pat penmadan yikilum kiwa klaim ke jing tip niyo jingbit neki bor penyai district batna kata kadau bagi bor penyai district kelas dang matokit ya kena kam Beain dak bathung yo magister bat kumju ru lathau dak we committee ban penlong ya ke jing Tohkit.
We have received a complaint that because of earth cutting there has been a deterioration in the air quality also. Earlier also we have received these complaints, and whenever we have received earlier also, in that case inspection has been done and matter has been forwarded to DFO territorial to take necessary action, and certain action has been taken from the DFO side also. After that there was one committee from KHADC also, they have also visited the locations and taken necessary actions. And last week also we have received one more complaint that similar kind of earth cutting is going on, because of which there is a deterioration of air quality. So for that magistrate has been deployed, and action will be taken on that accordingly.